Once upon a gentle morning, a sweet girl named Lila woke up in her sunny room. Beside her bed was her tiny puppy, Biscuit, wagging his tail like a happy drum. Lila and Biscuit ran outside to play in the soft garden. But suddenly, oh no! They saw a small firefly stuck under a leaf. Its little light was blinking very slowly. Lila whispered, "Don't worry, little friend." Biscuit gave a tiny woof, as if saying, "We can help." Together, Lila lifted the leaf, and Biscuit gently nudged the firefly free. The firefly glowed bright again, twinkle, twinkle, and floated up into the warm sky. Lila smiled and said, "See, Biscuit, helping feels good." Biscuit barked softly and licked her cheek, and the firefly made one last sparkle, like a thank you hug. Moral: when we help others, even in small ways, we shine a little brighter too.